How to promote ClickBank products without a website for free. You don't need to buy a website, don't need to buy a domain name, any of that stuff. That's what we'll be taking a look at today. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I make videos about making money online. I have hundreds of videos on my back catalog. If this method is not for you, please check out all those other videos. Also, please put in the comments below what countries you guys are from, because I make videos that aren't all worldwide. I like to make some more worldwide, so I want to see where my audience is coming from. This technique could pretty much work anywhere. But anyways, let's get into this, and it's going to be a quick video today. Not much to show you, not a bunch of fluff and wasting your time. So anyways, ClickBank here. As you know, if you don't know, you probably do know because you're looking for this, found this video. What ClickBank is, basically these are all affiliate products that you can promote and make a commission from. If you don't have an account, you just come over here, create your account. Very easy. It's 100% easy, 100% free to join, and then you're good to go. Put on your information, yada yada yada. And then you have many products here in many different categories: health, strength, whatever, dietary here. Just click on this one, for example, and all that good stuff. But to find the products, you're gonna definitely want to log in as you just created your account, blah blah blah. I'm gonna log in temporarily here. So once you're inside, just click on marketplace and you can find pretty much any product that you're looking for in any category right up here in the search. And there's different categories on here. Just for the purpose of this one, let's just pick something random. We'll go to arts and entertainment, and you can search for different things here. Like I said, you want something with a nice gravity score. But anyways, I'm just going to promote this one here for the time being. I don't even know what this is. Piano for all, piano course, promote, generate my hop links. You can put tracking IDs in here and stuff. I'm going to copy this link and save it for a minute here. So let's just actually take a look at what this product is. Okay, so this is a piano for all course. So where do we promote these products? Well, obviously you could go on YouTube and make videos and put your links there, which I do recommend as well. I do recommend getting your own website, because that's, you're gonna be your main hub for everything. And if also you check out my #1 recommendation for making money online, top link in the video description below, you actually start with 2 free websites, so you can check that out as well. But there are other places on the online here that you can get. Kit, for example, here. This is a place where it's basically everyone can promote their affiliate links, and you can create kits around certain topics. And as you can see, there's lots of different ones here. Streaming kit made by someone, and these could be influencers, this could be you, this could be anyone. I'm gonna go to my kits here, view my profile. I have a bunch of different kits here: cash apps, affiliate marketing, making money online, and these are all affiliate links, gifts for drummers, hip-hop packs, so on and so forth, guitar pedals, looper pedals, other apps and such. So I'm gonna show you how easy it is to make a kit and how easy it is to add your affiliate link. So let's take a look. So all you gotta do is go here, create new kit. Let's call this one music lessons, and we have the option here to add a description. I'm gonna do this later just so we can go through this video. Right now, let's put music lessons again. Create, add products to your kit. I'm gonna put my link here from ClickBank that I have. Sometimes they have the product, some other people are promoting it, it'll pop up. If they're not, you can grab your own images and such. So home, piano for all, learn piano and keyboard. Now I'm gonna change this image later. You can just take this right here, later time, add to kit. And I just created a kit and a product all in like very short time, obviously. You can share that on Twitter or whatever. I'll do that later. So here's my kit. Right now I only have the one product, obviously. Again, I can change this image, which I will do because that one doesn't look too appealing to me. And then you can share these links here. Actually, you could also add a video too if you have a video, and it doesn't have to be your own video. You find a video on this product, you could plop that in here, add a better description, obviously, you know, and then you're good to go. So this is the kit. You can share the whole kit here. There's little gifts here that you can create with the kit. There's only one product in here, so it's only going to show this, but you can generate a gift here. It just kind of goes like that. Download that, or you share it right on Twitter and Facebook. You'd add to your different websites and such. You can just get the link there. It kind of goes like this. If you pop open the, actually that's the ClickBank product link there. So when someone buys from this link, I'm going to get a commission. But let's actually open up the lesson here. So here we go, and we can share this link as well, just this product, or we can share the whole kit. So a pretty cool way if you don't have a website to create lots and lots of affiliate programs, or promote lots of affiliate programs and get yourself going, and then drive traffic to this site here. But like I said before, I do recommend your own website and other affiliate marketing techniques to learn certain skill sets and stuff to drive traffic to your products, affiliate products. And like I said, my number one recommendation is the top link in the video description below to learn affiliate marketing. You can check that out as well. Subscribe to the channel. Check out my hundreds of other videos. That is all for now, and I will talk to you soon.